Now we are going to make our homepage more dynamic, meaning that in popular courses, we are going to really see the courses that have the biggest quantity of enrollments. In top rated, we are going to see the really top rated courses, but not just the list of courses. And the latest courses are already up to date. So we just created the add filter that we have here. So we're just taking the 3 latest created courses. And what else do we want to add here? So we're going to add a continue learning tab to see so that a user has a list of the courses that he is learning at the moment, and he can go to see the whole list, and he can choose one of the courses that he would continue learning right now. And also we'll add something like what our students have to say, meaning there'll be the latest reviews here. So let's start. We are going to our index page, and here we have our courses. So before popular courses, we're going to have something like continue learning. Let's add that. And we'll also add a user graded icon just for making it a bit more fancy. So continue learning. That will have popular courses. Here we're going to have not this user, but we're going to have a chart icon. So let's go to Font Awesome Icons and we'll add a chart. So it's going to be a chart line in popular courses. Next, in top rated courses, we're going to have a star. In latest courses, we're going to have time. Clock, not time, there is no time icon. And then we're going to have something like, what do our students have to say? So we'll copy the style and just add it here, what our students have to say. And here we're going to add a comment sign, and here we're going to render the reviews. So reviews, H2 review, actually not reviews, but enrollments. H2 enrollment. We're going to run the enrollments at enrollment, where enrollment is enrollment. And we have to now define our enrollments in our home controller. So here we'll have enrollments, enrollment, all, limit 3, order created at desk. So the 3 latest enrollments. And we are also going to take actually not all the enrollments, but the ones that are not pending review. So let's say our enrollments are B. We have a scope for pending review, and we'll create one more scope that is going to be the enrollments that are already reviewed. And here we're going to have where not rating nil. Okay. And let's add this here. So enrollment reviewed. Just like this. And now we don't have any real reviews, so we don't see anything. Let's add a review. Strange. Actually, we do have a couple of reviews. Okay, so we couldn't see any of our actually created enrollments because we were searching by the rating that wasn't 0. And in our current application, the rating can be 0 if a user didn't actually add a rating. So we're going to check by the review. So we are checking by the review, and now we see a couple of reviews. Now we are also going to go back to our controller and think a bit more. So here we have the enrollments that were reviewed. We are ordering them by the quantity, by when they were created, and we are going to also order them by the rating. So we want to see our positive reviews first. So we are going to add something like rating. So now we are ordering by 2 parameters. And we're going to limit it to 3 records also. So basically, we're searching for the enrollments that were reviewed, and we're ordering by good first and time created at the latest. And we're taking all 3 of them. So we've already done it with our enrollments right here. Next, we're going to our latest courses, and we already have them done. Now, for our top-rated courses, popular courses, and for continued learning, so for the courses that the user has purchased, we're going to add 3 more lines. So top-rated courses are going to be the course with the highest average rating, and the second filter is by the creation date. For popular courses, by the enrollments count and by the creation date. And for purchased courses, we're going to find the courses where the current user has an enrollment, and we're going to just filter them by the creation date. And so we're going to see the latest courses that a user subscribed to first, and we're going to filter them. So let's check if it works when we just define these variables. And it does. Now we're going to paste this search for top-rated courses in top-rated courses. Then in the popular courses, we're going to have a search for popular courses. And for continued learning, we're going to search for purchased courses. Okay, so now we have purchased courses, popular courses, top-rated, latest courses, and enrollments. Now let's rename enrollments to something like latest good reviews. Like this. So let's see what it gives us. Now the user is signed up to only one course, and that's why he sees just this course here. Then these are the most popular courses by quantity of students and by creation date. Next, we have the top rated courses. Naturally, this course is also first. The latest created courses, this is the latest course that we created, and the reviews. So now our homepage is going to be much more dynamic and also personalized for each user.